Hello, this is a demonstration of the Roma. What's the name of this thing? It's a Rocama 116 outside clinch HVAC stapler. So it takes a quarter inch to 9/16. And this is the difference. This has a dial for less force, more force. Less force is like this. That's less force. And more force is like this. Oops, let's flip this around. Okay, flip it around there. Okay. Less force and more force. There's the adjustment dial. Okay. The reason I put this electrical tape on top is because the plastic, for some reason, started to get gooey. The top part of of this handle became gooey, and so I put this so the whatever goo that's coming out of the plastic doesn't come to my hands. Other than that, the only maintenance item I notice is that I don't use this. This is a tie down for the handle. I don't use that. And I also find that it's necessary to put some machine oil on the mechanism once in a while.